The manufacturing industry is at a crossroads. Your actions today shape your business tomorrow. And with so many external factors beyond your control, like supply chain disruptions, ongoing effects of inflation, a changing workforce, and rapid advancements in technology, you have the opportunity to act future forward. Power the future of manufacturing and accelerate your Industry 4.0 journey with NTT DATA. We develop strategies and roadmaps to help you overcome the challenges of Industry 4.0. Our solutions help your business build resilient operations to thrive in the face of rapid industry changes. Whether we are collaborating on strategies or implementing rapidly advancing technologies, we're your partner for the long haul. NTT DATA is the partner to manage and secure your data, support and reskill the workforce, and reimagine your manufacturing operations for what's next, unlocking lasting customer value for your business. NTT DATA operates on a global scale to help manufacturers reduce operational costs, accelerate speed to market, improve customer experiences, and boost business and supply chain resilience. Our team is built for your success, partnering from project inception through completion. Move smarter, produce faster, and boost performance with a smart partnership that lasts. NTT DATA. Ignite tomorrow, today.